Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you all Pakistan Education Academy Toastmasters Club demo meeting. How are you doing all? Thank you so much, Madam Principal, teachers, parents, Toastmasters and guests for coming and making us feel good. This very Toastmasters Club will be bilingual club. We will encourage two languages, English and Urdu, or you can consider as Hindi. If you are comfortable speaking in Hindi or Urdu, you can speak. And if you are comfortable speaking in English, it's totally up to you. Even in this meeting, you can practice both languages. Tomorrow, when we are going to charter this club, we will be promoting these two languages. Why so? Because this Toastmasters journey is not about English language or any particular language, but to bring people on stage and make them feel good and get inspiration from their life stories. Isn't it something great? How many of you have questions about Toastmasters? What is this all about? Is it a kitchen where we make toast, feed people, make them feel good, make their stomach full? Do you have questions? Let me tell you about the history of this very Toastmasters fraternity. This is 95 years old organization, 95 years. It was started late in 1924, 22nd October by Mr. Ralph Chestnut Smedley, who is no more right now, but his legacy is continued in 143 countries. How many? 143 countries. Something great. If it was something for one region, for one religion, or one nation, it would have traveled 143 countries. It was something for people, for their betterment, for their improvement. That's the reason it has spread its wings in 143 countries. And we have right now 16,800 plus minus clubs in 143 countries. And we are going to charter one club for Pakistan Education Academy. Here we encourage communication and leadership skills. This is not for English or for Urdu. Language does not matter. But we want you to come on stage, speak your hearts out, tell us who you are, where you're coming from, and what are your inspiring stories. Where were you broken and where you rose back? Inspire us. Language does not matter. How you speak, we don't care. But we want you to come on stage and tell us who you are. We can learn about Qaid-e-Azam, we can learn about Mahatma Gandhi, we can learn about Nelson Mandela from books, but we want your life stories. This is why this platform is formed, for people to come on stage and inspire us. Now, as we are one club. When we charter one club, we need to have minimum of 20 members. How many? 20 members. Then only we can charter any club. Then we can have as many members as we can or we want. But we always encourage not to increase more than 40, 50. Why so? Because we want to involve every member on stage. Because normally we meet twice in a month. Some clubs meet 4 times in a month, like every single week. The corporate club. This is going to be a corporate club. Our community club you can consider as you like. As I was mentioning, in UAE we have almost somehow 170 clubs. 170 clubs in UAE only. And we are going to charter one more club. It will come under area 56. There are 6 clubs in area 56. Then 4-5 areas form a division. When you compete in your club every year, you lead to the area. If you win from your club, you go to area, represent your club. If you win from area, you go to division and you present your area. From division, if you win, you go to district. Every year we have one district council meeting. There you go, you represent your division. If you are champion, you go to international convention. This year, international convention is happening in Paris, France. Last year, it was in Denver, United States of America. This is the journey of Toastmasters. This is how it works. Now, I would like to call our principal of this very school. She is putting immense effort to charter this club. She has contributed a lot. I approached this school, this fraternity, last year when Principal Dr. Zahid was here. Unfortunately, it was not processed. I had delivered a couple of sessions to boys and girls, but now she actually She came up and she showed interest. She cares about you. She wants our teachers, our students to prosper and improve their communication and leadership skills. It does not mean you don't know how to speak, you don't know how to come on stage, but we don't know what we don't know till we know what we didn't know. This is very important. Let's welcome our principal to say a few words. Please put your hands together for Madam Lubna.
So, good morning and welcome everyone. I'm very happy to see you all here. Some of you have come with many expectations, I'm sure. As Mr. Amjad said, we are very pleased to welcome you and your team here today. The importance of this work that will happen in the school, the importance of this club cannot be underestimated. Why? Because tomorrow when you go out into the big wide world, people will be forming impressions about you all the time. They will make judgments on you all the time. How you present yourselves, how you speak, how do you show your personality, will make or break you in some instances. One of the things we really want to promote at the school, and it's a word you used earlier on, sir, is about care. Really want to promote the notion of care for yourself, care for each other, care for everybody around you. Once we have underpinned that and established that in the school, do you know what? Everything else becomes much easier. Your well-being increases, your health increases, and your levels of happiness increase. When you are in a good place, you will say good things. You will feel good. People around you will feel good. All the things that you are going to talk about and the little leaflets that you've handed about actually underpin this notion of care. The ability to speak clearly, concisely, to organize your thoughts is something else that I'm sure is going to be key to this organization. I don't want to say any more than that, except to say thank you so much for giving your time. We can all be at home, sleeping, eating, whatever, but people have given up their time to come here and do this for us. And I just want to show, as a school, on behalf of everybody here, our appreciation of your time and all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.